What's up guys, this is how to set up ASUS router of any model as a repeater. Heads up, you don't need to wire up your router with the internet source using the Ethernet cable. You just need to power up your future repeater somewhere in your main router's Wi-Fi network range and make sure that the main router is connected to the internet. And one more thing, I recommend you to reset your ASUS router. So just locate the reset button. It's on the back panel in this small hole. Grab the pin, press the button until you see the power indicator blinking. Now release the button and these two indicators are going to disappear. That's it. Now just wait for the power and Wi-Fi indicators are turned on back again, and you can continue on your desktop browser or mobile browser. Unfortunately, the repeater setup cannot be done via ASUS router application, but this is not a big issue. So once again, check the Wi-Fi indicators on your router, and then you can connect your gadget to the ASUS network. So I'm doing this on the laptop. I need to go to my Wi-Fi settings, find the ASUS network. If you don't see ASUS network, try to refresh Wi-Fi. Toggle off and toggle on back again. So connect to the ASUS network. Then go to any web browser and in the search bar type in the following IP address. Write it down somewhere. This is the default gateway of your router, or you can just type in router.asus.com and hit enter. And it takes you to the welcome page where you can set up your router. So you don't need to create a new network because you want to connect to existing one. Click on Advanced Settings. Here, click on Choose Operation Mode, and here select Repeater Mode. Then the system is scanning for the available networks. My main network name is my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna extend this network. So here it is. I have two bands, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Regardless of what I choose here, the system will apply my settings to the second band automatically. So just choose whatever band you want, and here you need to enter your current Wi-Fi password. This interface is pretty stubborn. Sometimes you need to click twice or more on the same place to get the results, so just get some patience somewhere. Automatic IP is okay for me. Now you can rename your new extended networks or stick with defaults. By default, the name is the same as for your main network, but with RPT abbreviation added to the end. And the password is also the same as for your main network. You can change it as well. I'm okay with defaults, so I'm clicking on Apply, and here I need to create my login name for the router settings panel. This password and this login is much more important than your Wi-Fi password, because if you forgot this password, you can't recover it. You need to reset your router and set it up from scratch. So write it down somewhere and click on Next. Well, now our router, or rather the repeater, show us that we are all set, and let's go and look for new networks in our Wi-Fi network list. Here it is, my Wi-Fi 5 GHz. Let's connect to this network. Connected, secured, we're all set. And now let's try to connect to the router's admin panel using the default gateway. And as you can see, you are unable to access the settings by default gateway. This is because this baby is not a router anymore. So to get its IP address, you need to go to your main router's settings now. Let me show you how to do this, how to manage your router in the repeaters mode. So you need to get to the settings menu of your main router. So enter your router's default gateway or apply to your using manual to enter your router settings. So, and in your main router settings, you need something like the DHCP server menu. You need to make your way to this section. I don't know how you do it on your router, but on my router, this is in advanced settings, network, and DHCP server. And now I'm scrolling down and I see the new unnamed device in the DHCP client list. So I can copy its IP address, paste it into a new tab, and here I can log in my ASUS router and manage it while it's in repeater mode. Sign in. And that's pretty it, guys. Enjoy your new extended network. Hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye.